I'm leaving the sound on for that.
Nerf this!
Good morning, YouTube. Sean here, and in today's video, you're gonna hang out with me and Lily as we go on our adventures on this Sunday. Say hello.
Hi.
I gotta fix my hair, but first, coffee. I lied, but first water, and then coffee because I'm dehydrated. Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh my god, you just want to agitate me.
You know me. So I don't know if you guys could tell, but it was a little cloudy outside and it looked like it was gonna rain. I was putting a damper, but sun's starting to come out. So we are gonna go over to the farmer's market now. This thing off me. So beautiful, look at you. Look at that outfit.
That's good.
So since the sun is shining now and it's gonna be 90 out, I wanted to come sit outside. Just waiting for Wella to finish getting ready. We're gonna drop her off at the church before we go to the farmer's market. It's absolutely gorgeous. Finally, summer weather is here.
Out she goes.
We made it!
I didn't put lip gloss on for that reason. I've been waiting for a smooch.
Yeah. Let's see what this is all about. You got a lot of stuff here now.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows.
Hazelnut.
Coffee is always a necessity, no matter where I'm at. You guys know this.
Yeah.
Huh?
They're coloring stuff.
So this is pretty cool, guys. Let me flip the camera around. All right, hug it. So behind me, they're building like, obviously they have the volleyball pit here, but they're also like doing like a man-made beach. And they're gonna, they have one like pop-up bar open. Looks like they're doing another one. And they've put some like turf on there too. That wasn't there before when we came the first time, babe. They put like artificial grass. And they got more cornhole. They have like all the cornhole you could ever ask for at this place. So it's really cool. It looks like a stage of some sort for live music. I don't know if you can see that sign says beach bar coming soon. Yeah, so they're literally building like a man-made like little beach type thing, which is freaking awesome. This place is awesome.
Above the town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now.
Just took a picture with that. Got a stunt for the gram while you're here, you know. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me there. It's Sean_Lunny. I'll put it somewhere on the screen for you to see.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look.
Is that sweat?
That's sweat.
Oh my god, babe, you're dying. She's dying.
Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna take a picture of her so she can stunt. Oh, those are nice.
Right? Look at this popcorn.
You see it?
And the earrings.
That's pretty cool.
Oh my god, I'm literally robe shower. That's okay.
And it's too darn hot to win.
That's alright.
No, Michael and Isaac. Alright, so we need, yep, I think so. So 6 and 6. It's not working. That's 12.
What'd you get?
and this is 10. That's
Headband and a
22.
change purse.
How much tax on 22?
I don't know if you guys can see like the glisten of my face right now, but I'm sweating bullets and I love it. My hair doesn't love it, but I love it. Lily doesn't love it, but I love it. Here we go. Alright. Just filming Diego the whole time. And this week is this week, and this week is this week. So Lily and I are just walking down to the corner store right now. Because it's beautiful, and she knows I want to be outside. And she's a trooper.
Yeah.
And I love her.
Things you do for love.
I know.
0 calorie.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
She tries to hide the good stuff on me.
You know what? I find the goods.
She does.
I just look.
There's
you
this-
just go for what you know and you don't look around. That's your problem. You just know that you can have that, so you don't look for anything else.
So that's how you really feel.
And this is only $1,
I know.
35 cents.
I know this is more expensive, but there's more in here. Bye, Willa.
Love you.
But right now, we're going to Chipotle.
Yep.
Get some food. I'm still on my fast, so it'll be good to break it. Some calorically dense food, some rice and some guacage.
You know what I should do?
What?
Do you want to eat in there or no? Because I should have ordered online and just picked it up.
Time for some Chipotle games, bruh.
Ooh, yeah?
Yes, I'm leaving the sound on for that. Alright guys, it's Monday right now. Lily and I ate something terrible yesterday. We both felt like absolute trash. Last night, I was up for like 2.5 hours just on the toilet. It was terrible. But I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, a little view into the farmer's market and so forth. If you made it this far into the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn post notifications on because I release videos every Monday to get your week started and every Friday to get your weekend going. It's going to be the 4th of July coming up. Hopefully I get some good stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I'll catch you in the next one.